The immune system is the system responsible for protecting the body against invaders and infectious organisms. There are various responses to these microbes, one of these being the humoral response. This response mainly utilizes B cells and helper T cells to fight pathogens. Directly in the blood, B cells, which are a type of lymphocytic white blood cell, feature specific antigen receptors on the membrane surface that attach to matching antigen epitopes to recognize specific pathogens. Once the B cells recognize and engulf the pathogen through endocytosis, the cell digests the pathogens and distributes the antigens on the surface of the B cell. Helper T cells are different phagocytes that help the activity of other immune cells with antigen receptors on the surface. When the receptors on a helper T cell bind to the antigen on a B cell, the humoral response is triggered. The helper T cells produce cytokinesis, which are small proteins used for cell signaling. They increase cell division and develop into plasma cells. For a point of reference, a single B cell produces thousands of plasma cells. These plasma cells activate B cells, which are responsible for large production of antibodies. Antibodies are Y-shaped proteins which bind to the antigens of pathogens. A variety of antibodies are produced in large quantities in order to bind and recognize different epitopes on the different pathogens. Antibodies travel through the body mainly in the blood, looking to form an antigen-antibody complex with the antigen of invaders. If successful, pathogen activity is heavily reduced and the complex signals for phagocytosis of the marked pathogen. After the infection is over, memory cells, lifetime-lasting plasma cells, live to remember how the immune system previously attacked that pathogen and replicate it more efficiently. Therefore, when the immune system is exposed to the antigen again, there is a faster and more efficient immune response.